Hey guys, this is Tyler Skidmore of Fly Rod Chronicles and West Virginia Fly Guys, and on this Fly Tying Friday we're going to be doing a Caddis Nymph. I started by putting a size 2.4 black nickel bead onto my size 14 grub shrimp hook from Partridge. And after I get it secure in my vise, I'm going to start wrapping my Olive Dun 6/0 uni thread. And I'm just going to get my tag in nice and secure to the hook. And then I'm going to snip it free here. I'm going to wrap pretty well down into the bend here. Now I'm going to reach for my size small gold ultra wire, and I'm going to put the tip of the wire up into the bead here. I'm going to take a couple wraps and then I'm going to pull it to size, making sure that the bead covers the tip of it up. I'm going to wrap up the shank, securing my wire, and then back down to my initial tie-in point. I'm going to reach for an olive dubbing that has a little bit of flash to it. I'm going to use a pretty slender dubbing noodle here, and it's got to be somewhat long because we're going to dub the entire body of the fly. We want it to be thick enough that we can show segmentation when we wrap our wire, because a Caddis Nymph has a lot of segmentation to it. When I get the thickness of my dubbing noodle where I want it, I'm going to start taking touching wraps all the way up to behind the bead head. And it looks like I might have enough dubbing here. I'll add a little more here behind the bead head. And when I get my dubbing in place, I'm going to reach for my wire, and I'm going to take open spiraled wraps. You want your wraps to be as even as possible. And once I get up to behind the bead, I'm going to tie it off. You want to be careful you don't take too many thread wraps, because that'll build up extra bulk in the fly and you won't be able to whip your fly. I'm going to reach for my whip finish tool here. I'm going to put 2 or 3 4 or 5 turn whip finishes in, and then when I'm done, I'm going to snip my tying thread free and my Caddis Nymph is finished. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, you can head to www.westvirginiaflyguys.com for more, and thanks for watching.